Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
His charge are the State Security Service, the National Intelligence Agency, the Defense Intelligence Agency, the National Center for the Control of Small Arms and Light Weapons, the National Counterterrorism.
This is the very first engagement you are having outside the presidential villa. This reinforces your commitment, your dedication, your inflexible rigidity to ensuring that the security misfortunes of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and by extension the sub-region are overcome within the shortest possible time. The very action of you coming to see the facilities in this office, which basically is your office, illuminates your desire to ensure that we have a safer country for all other undertakings of government on behalf of the people of Nigeria run smoothly. Mr. President, at this juncture, I want to ensure the total commitment and dedication